Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply subscribe to someone in OnlyFans. So what you want to do is just be in OnlyFans, and right here you just want to click on whatever, like to some suggestion, I don't know. Like Scarlet here. And here you have option to subscribe. You can subscribe for 2047, for 6 months, or for 12 months. It's up to you which one you actually choose. So you can subscribe and you just click here to subscribe, and this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down on the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.